Hello and welcome to Tillie Floss Art. I'm Claire and this is my art studio. And this is Rio. He's decided to join us for the day, I think. What I decided to do this week is I found some wooden shapes in my art studio. I can't remember where I've got these from. I think some of them may be from Temu, I'm not sure. But you can find these all over in Temu, as I say, Shein, Amazon sell them, the local art crafts sell them, and I've had them for quite a while but I've not known what to do with them. So I thought we'll have a play this week and see what we can come up with. Also, I have some bonus episodes that I've recorded this week. They are draw with me episodes, and I've decided to start with Derpy from K-pop Demon Hunters because my daughter loves it and she's been asking me to draw him for a while, or her. So they'll be posted later on in the week. Keep your eyes out for that. Anyway, let's get to it.
Okay, for my first idea I decided to pick a simple shape that doesn't have the embossed details, as I wanted to add my own design to it. I'm going to be using acrylic paint pens for this one. So any acrylic paint pens will work for this, but to enhance the colours, I wanted to give it a good few layers of gesso. In the end, it took 4 layers. Then, with my acrylic paint markers, I painted in my design. It always sounds weird to me to say I painted something when it's with a pen. Anyways, I gave everything 2 coats with the markers to make sure everything was coated well and that you couldn't see any patches. Once I'd finished my design, I then took some puffy paint and used it to paint on the snow to give it a 3-dimensional look. I found a mini gingerbread man in my hoard of crafty bits and also some sparkle Mod Podge. I love this stuff, it's beautiful. So I added it to the snow to make it sparkle. And then I finished this one off with Liquitex gloss varnish, a ribbon and a cute little bow. Okay, so for my second idea, I chose a gonk. I wanted to use felt to cover this one. It's a very simple idea, so I just cut out the shapes I needed by tracing around the body and all the other parts of him. So I glued everything on. I gave him a fluffy beard and little reindeer slippers. I added a holly charm, again from my crafty stash, a bow and some little pom-poms. I think he came out so cute and was definitely the quickest and least messy to clean up. I highly recommend you try this one. Okay, on to my third idea. I really enjoy using watercolour, but not all surfaces are able to take it well. So that's where this core watercolour ground comes in. You can literally paint it on so many surfaces, and like magic, it turns the surface into a perfect watercolour canvas. So I chose a simple circle shape and gave it 4 coats of the watercolour ground, then sketched on my design. I chose to paint a simple bunny sat in a cup. Very Christmassy, I know. I am going to come back to this design in the future for Christmas because I've got an idea with a few other animals that I want to try too. I was happily painting away when all of a sudden my painting transformed magically before my eyes. Well, at least that's what it looked like. Actually, my camera decided it was so tired, so it turned itself off and I didn't notice. Oh well, as you can see, I added a blue background with some glittery watercolour. Not that you can see that on screen, but you can in life. A snowflake to the cup, gold edges with an acrylic marker, and 2 layers of spray varnish. Some ribbon and a bow later, and she's finished. We're on to my fourth and final idea. I wanted to use clay. I didn't want it to be too heavy though, or to take forever to dry, so I chose foam clay. I covered the wooden ice cream and added details with a clay tool, not forgetting a nice juicy cherry. I don't actually think I've ever seen a cherry on a real ice cream before in the UK. It's usually a chocolate flake, but I wouldn't complain if I got a cherry too. When the clay had dried, I painted my design using Maria Elizabeth's acrylic paints, as it's the perfect palette for desserts. I painted in the details. We have raspberry ripple, cookie dough and bubblegum. My least favourite flavours actually, but my favourite colour combination. And used sparkle Mod Podge to the ice cream and gloss varnish to the cone. I love this one and it'll be perfect for my daughter's Christmas tree. I'm going to hopefully make a few more dessert ones to go on her tray because it'll look so cute. The sparkle on this one is immense. It's so cute. I love it. It was at this point that I realised that I'd not left a hole, so I drilled a hole off screen and added a ribbon and it was finished. So here are the 4 final ornaments. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and let me know in the comments which was your favourite, and if you have a go, let me know, because I'd love to see your creations. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!